So we have the 7 flagship expos which take every year, and that gives you the very right platform to explore markets, see people, interact with your counterparts, and go forward. With the kind of interaction that we've been having for the last 2 days, when it comes to direct flights, port connectivity, FTA is something new which I'm hearing from you. Obviously, the Chinese FTA has been a very big challenge to us, and in which the trade balance is quite tilted towards China. But we're learning from the FTA with China also. That's how I guess one really comes up of what to be done next and not. And not only with that, the visa process, which has already been made faster, and the processes are now very much online, which Pakistan has done for the last 6-7 months. You just apply online and your visa will come online also. PNAC has been the main carrier of ship vessels in Pakistan, and this year PNAC is thinking of buying more ships. Not only vessel ships, but also ferry ships for smaller routes to be covered. And container ships, yes, to some extent. We are looking towards the regional connectivity if the trade volumes are such, because normally for this kind of a business, the shipping lines are the mains who really decide of how to make them commercially viable. But if there are any specific direct suppliers when it comes to rice, wheat, goods, any specific materials which can be done in between two countries, those are the vessels which can really benefit both of us, not only in terms of the timing, but in terms of its pricing also. And recently when a rice vessel had come, it really took, I guess, not more than 10 days for it to come over here, and this we are repeating so that whatever hindrances and hurdles are in between, though, can be seen, evaluated, and made much easier.